Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I'll show you how to restore the phone icon on the home screen on your HONOR X5c Plus. So first of all, keep in mind that you can't remove icons from your home screen if you don't have app drawer enabled. But before opening the app drawer, check all folders to see if you don't drag and drop the phone icon somewhere else on accident. Look on your home screen, the phone icon is nowhere to be seen. Look in folders, nowhere here either. So let's check our phone drawer, scroll up and look for the phone app here. It's right here, select it and drag and drop wherever you want to be. For example, here in your belt. So now you restore the phone icon. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment and goodbye.